Hey there fellow game developers. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to create an internet availability check system in Unreal Engine for Android. This feature will come in handy for your mobile games, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Mobile Utils plugin installed in your Unreal Engine project. If you haven't done it yet, head over to the GitHub link for Mobile Utils that I have provided in video description and download it. I will now show you how to set up Mobile Utils plugin properly for Unreal Engine 4.27. Once installed, enable it in your project's plugin settings. After download is completed, extract plugin zip file and change Unreal Engine version inside plugin file, according to your installed Unreal Engine version. Copy Mobile Utils plugin and paste it inside project plugin folder. If you don't have plugin folder, then create new folder. I will change Unreal Engine version inside plugin file to 4.27 because that is what I am using to create my project. After this, if your project fails to open and it is based on blueprints rather than C++, you can resolve it by deleting or moving the plugin file. Once done, attempt to open your project again. After successfully opening the project, proceed to create a new C++ class. You can name it anything you like. Once the C++ class has been created, you can then copy and paste the plugin file back into the project folder. Now, generate Visual Studio project file to build our project containing Mobile Utils plugin. After build has been completed, we can now use Mobile Utils plugin inside our project to detect internet connection in mobile phones. I have made UI with buttons to test our plugin feature. You can see mobile Utils blueprint functions, which can be used according to our need. We can detect internet connection and Google Play services in mobile device like this. I have used and tested this in Android phone. I will now test it in Viewport. As I mentioned earlier, I have also used and tested this for Android project. Thanks for watching.